So I've been getting asked a lot of questions about decluttering your stash. And so here is the most common one that I've been getting. I have more fabric than I could ever use. I would like to go through it and get rid of some of it. It feels I have less overwhelmed when I'm in my sewing room. How do I go about it? So do you have too much fabric and you're looking through it going, I'm not too fond of this anymore. I don't know what to do with this. Well, keep following along. I'm going to talk you through how to declutter and answer this question for you. Hello and welcome. I am Jackie with Jackie Russell Creates, where we talk about everything quilting, sewing, and embroidering. I give tips, tricks, and techniques so you can conquer that next quilting project. If you want to learn some more techniques, tips, or how to declutter your stash, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of those tips. So I am hosting a sweepstake giveaway for about 6 months, and you have your chance to win 6 creative quilting boxes, which will be full of lots of goodies to help you get that creative back. There will be a link in the description below for you to go and sign up for your chance to win. If you have quilting friends, be sure to share with your link and get extra bonus points into getting into the box. Now, let's get started in decluttering our stash. Getting rid of our fabric is a paralyzing proposition for many quilters. Break the feeling of powerlessness with our no-fail, step-by-step plan. Here are some questions to ask yourself when you're about ready to declutter your stash. Do you love it? You shouldn't get rid of fabric that you love, or you'll regret it later on down the line. So are you still in love with that fabric that you purchased a couple years ago, a couple months ago? Does it still give you that spark, that creativity, that joy to want to create something with it? If not, put it in that discard pile so we can donate it to someone else that will be able to use that fabric. The next question to ask yourself, will you use it? This is often the hardest question to answer. Of course we're going to use it. We bought it, right? But when you're sorting that fabric, it makes it a difficult to answer. But because it means confronting your experience for your sewing life and what you'll realistically sew. So if you won't sew with it, you just think it's pretty, you don't have no ideas, no project, no, I want to quilt with that, set it aside. We'll give it to someone else that will use it. The next question to ask yourself, is it a useful size? Many quilters save fabric scraps. You know I do. I have a whole bucket. But this is when size really matters. If this fabric is an awkward size, is too small for the projects that you have in mind or want to create, or you don't keep a scrap stash, you may want to donate it and get rid of it. The next question, are you trapped in pre-cuts? We all like pre-cuts. We buy lots of them. Don't be afraid to part from your pre-cuts. I take my pre-cut bundles apart. So take them apart. If you love half of the fabrics, but not the other half, donate the half you don't love. If you know you're never going to use that one fabric in that bundle, donate it. Give it to somebody else. Declutterize it out of your stash. Now, we all know that there are exceptions to rules, right? Or, as us quilters, we like to break them every once in a while. If you're emotionally attached to a piece of fabric, such as fabric that you may have received from a family member that's no longer with us, or a friend, or something you have bought because it meant something to you, it had a meaningful purpose, something like on a vacation, enlist the help of a friend. Have her hold the piece up for you when you're making your decisions. If you won't use the fabric, but you hate to get rid of it, consider taking a picture of that fabric before donating it to charity or to another friend that can get some use out of that fabric. So I hope this video helps you on decluttering your stash, going through each tote, figuring which ones you still love, you still want to create with. That still gives you that spark once you to dive right in and get into that sewing room. Comment below and let me know, do you declutter your stash or do you just keep a hold of it? Do you keep scraps? I keep scraps. And I'm going to show you later on how to use those scraps in some beautiful quilts. So until then, happy quilting, my friends.